Hi everyone! This week in maths we're going to be focusing on the written method for subtraction. So we're going to go through some of these examples today and then you will have some tasks to do for your home learning. Okay, so let's have a look at the first question here. Hopefully you can see it on my phone. I'll zoom in. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to be able to go. Hopefully you can see it. The first question says 7,315 take away 2,104. Now for this question, this has actually been shown in a place value chart. So we've got the 7,315. So some of you might find that really helpful to solve this. So you could use it just with this and cross out the sections that you're taking away. So we'll start with the 5 and 4 because we always start with the lowest value numbers, and the 5 and 4 are in the ones column. So we've got 5 here, but we're taking away 4, so we could cross 4 out. That leaves us with 1. We've got 1 tens, we're taking away none of them, so we still have 1. We have 3 hundreds, we're taking away 1, which leaves us with 2. And we have 7 thousands, we're taking away 2, which leaves us with 5. So we're left with 5,211. Okay, on to the next one. This says 7,315 take away 3,241. So we're going to start with 5 take away 1, and this time I'm not using the place value chart, I'm going to try this in my head. So 5 take away 1 is 4. Now the next one says 1 take away 4. And we've talked about this in class before. If we've got 1 apple, we can't give 4 of our friends an apple each. There's not enough. So we need to exchange. So we're looking over to the next higher value place value column, which in this case is the hundreds. And we're going to exchange one of the hundreds over to the tens column. So this then forms that 3 into 2, and the 1 becomes 11. So now we're doing 11 take away 4, which gives us 7. 2 take away 2 would leave us with nothing, with 0. And 7 take away 3 would leave us with 4. So we would have 4,074 left. Okay, now on to C. There's going to be a few more exchanges on this one. So we've got 7,315 take away 5,420. So the first part is 5 take away 0. I still have 5. Now we have 1 take away 2. We can't do it, we haven't got enough, so we need to exchange. So I'm going to look over to the hundreds column and exchange one of my hundreds for 10 tens, which will make that 1 into 11. Now 11 take away 2 is 9. Now we have 2 take away 4. I can't do it, I don't have enough. So I need to look into my thousands column this time and exchange to my hundreds column. So that now makes this as 12 take away 4. 12 take away 4 is 8. And 6 take away 5 is 1. So we'd be left with 1,895. Okay, now we're going to have a go at these bottom two calculations. So this one says 8,434 take away 2,104. And I would really recommend, if you can, reading these numbers to an adult at home, just so you're practicing your place value at reading those larger numbers. So let's have a go. So we've got 4 take away 4, that leaves me with 0. 3 take away 0 leaves me with 3. 4 take away 1 leaves me with 3. And 8 take away 2 leaves me with 6. So I would have 6,330. Okay, and then on to part B. This time we've got the pound symbol, so I'm going to make sure I add that to my answer straight away so that I don't lose any marks with my answers. So this question says 88,200 pounds take away 6,100 pounds. Okay, so let's start with the lowest value. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. 2 take away 1 is 1. 8 take away 6 is 2. And 8 take away nothing is 8. So we would have £82,100 left over. Okay, let's have a look at the next bit, section C. Okay, have a go at reading these numbers to the adult at home. Okay, so this says 46,832 take away 19,024. Okay, so we're going to start again with the lowest value number, 2 take away 4. I can't do it, I haven't got enough, so I need to exchange. So I'm going to exchange from my tens. 12 take away 4 leaves us with 8. 2 take away 2 is 0. 8 take away 0 is 8. 6 take away 9. I can't do it. I need to exchange. So I'm going to exchange my 10,000s. So I have now 16 take away 9, which leaves me with 7. And 3 take away 1, which is 2. So we have 27,808. And then this one here, have a go at reading it to the adult at home. Okay, so this is 34,520 take away 679. So I can't do 0 take away 9, so I need to exchange straight away. Sorry, I've just noticed that it's a bit wonky on the screen. So we're going over here, we're going to exchange one of our 10s. That makes this 10 take away 9, which leaves us with 1. I can't do 1 take away 7, so I need to exchange again. 11 take away 7 is 4. I now have 4 take away 6, which I can't do, so I'm going to exchange again to create 14 take away 6, which leaves me with 8. 3 take away nothing is 3, and 3 take away nothing is 3. So we have 33,841. Okay, and then we're going to have a go at this word problem together, and then I'm going to set you off for your home learning. So this says, a family has £22,658 in the bank. They spend £3,600 on a holiday. How much money do they have left? Okay, so we need to understand that they're spending money, they're getting rid of money. So we're subtracting that from the total in their bank. Now, the struggle with word problems is actually the layout. You need to really make sure, like with these questions, you understand your place value and you get those numbers in the right position. So pause the video. Don't worry about solving the problem, but just lay it out. Have a go at laying this out correctly and then see if you've got the same as me. Okay, so let's start laying this out together. I'm going to make sure that I remember the pound sign so that I don't forget. So 22,658. And I could almost write this backwards so I don't lose track of my place value. There we are. So hopefully you've managed to lay that out correctly with the numbers underneath accurately there. Okay, so we've got 8 take away 0. That leaves me with 8. 5 take away 0 leaves me with 5. 6 take away 6 leaves me with nothing. And now I've got 2 take away 3. Well, I can't do that, so I'm going to have to exchange from my 10,000s column to make that 12 take away 3, which will leave me with 9. And then 1 take away nothing is 1. So the family would be left with 19,058. Okay, and I'm going to leave it there for today. Good luck with your home learning and make sure you send it in. I'm really, really proud of you all and I love seeing your home learning. So please do send them in. And remember that I'm just a message away on your VLE if you need any help, or contact the school if you need some support with this. I'm still here to help and I'm missing you all. So keep safe and keep going with your home learning. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you next week.